gonna be
What we're going to do
the
today?
part for the photos
Oh.
and video.
So I think I asked you to remember where you left off, and that's where I'm going to start you, and then we'll float around. We'll wait another,
I was with that box.
Yes.
tell me again what you were with?
I was with that box with the magnet in it that we shook and then
Fabulous. See if you can do that with one magnet. Okay, I know. It should work. It works easily when you've got 3 and 4. There, it can't be touching the magnet, remember? Can't be touching the magnet, so you've got to hold it very steady. Moving the cork in the water. You guys did not? Okay, then do you want to go over and do that? Now, whether you want to think it's the heart or center of a cell. What's that called? Do you remember?
the nucleus.
The nucleus. So in an atom, we have a nucleus, okay? Here's the nucleus right here in this